Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to hide unused rows and columns in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we can see here some columns and rows are unused. Now we want to hide these columns and rows. At first, select these multiple columns or rows. Now I am select the row, then press Ctrl and hold the control, then select the multiple row, click right button, select hide, then select the multiple column, press Ctrl and hold, then click right button, select hide. Now we can see we hide unused rows and columns in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.